Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to upscale an image on Canva. So firstly, open Canva and log into your account. Choose a design, then upload your image or select one already in your design. Click directly on the image so it is highlighted. At the top bar, click Edit Image. Now, scroll through the editing tools and find Upscale. Click it to start improving the image quality. Canva will automatically enhances and upscales your image. This may take a few seconds depending on the file size. Once done, just click Download and save the higher quality version to your device anytime. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.